How to get QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting solution that helps businesses manage finances, track expenses, generate invoices, and prepare taxes. It's widely used by small and medium-sized businesses due to its accessibility, ease of use, and robust features. Here's a detailed guide to help you get started with QuickBooks Online. Understand what QuickBooks Online offers. QuickBooks Online provides real-time access to financial data from any internet-connected device. Key features include income and expense tracking, invoicing and payment processing, payroll management, inventory tracking, financial reporting, tax preparation and filing. Choose the right plan. QuickBooks Online offers multiple subscription tiers to suit different business needs. Simple Start, best for solo entrepreneurs, includes basic income expense tracking and invoicing. Essentials adds bill management and multi-user access, up to 3 users. Plus, includes inventory tracking, project tracking, and 5-user access. Advanced, designed for larger businesses with more reporting tools and 25+ user access. Sign up for QuickBooks Online. Visit the official QuickBooks website. Select QuickBooks Online from the product options. Choose a plan based on your business needs. Click subscribe and create an account by entering your email, phone number, and business details. Provide payment information and complete the sign-up process. Explore free trial options. QuickBooks often offers a 30-day free trial for new users. You can try the platform without commitment to evaluate its features. However, promotional discounts may not apply if you choose the free trial. Set up your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've signed up, log into your account. Input company information like business name, industry, and tax details. Connect your business bank accounts for automatic transaction imports. Customize settings to match your business's workflow, such as invoice templates and tax rates. Install the QuickBooks Online app. Optional. QuickBooks Online is accessible via web browsers, but you can also install the app on Windows or Mac for desktop use, iOS or Android devices for mobile access. Integrate with other tools. QuickBooks Online integrates with various third-party applications, including payroll services, customer relationship management, CRM systems, e-commerce platforms like Shopify, payment processors like PayPal, and Square. Invite your team. If you have employees or accountants who need access, go to Settings, then Manage Users. Click Add User and assign roles, such as admin, standard user, or accountant. Send the invitation, which the team member can accept via email. Start using QuickBooks Online. After setup, you can create and send invoices, record expenses and categorize transactions, generate reports like profit and loss statements, prepare for tax filing with built-in tools. QuickBooks Online simplifies financial management by offering accessible, reliable, and scalable solutions for businesses of all sizes. With intuitive features and flexible plans, it supports efficient bookkeeping, allowing business owners to focus more on growth and operations.